Technological advancements have revolutionized stock trading. The use of artificial intelligence allows you to make highly accurate market predictions and take trading positions accordingly. This in turn helps you maximize your profits and reduce the chances of incurring losses. Artificial intelligence is changing the game. Welcome to your own channel, Wealth Instructor. We shall discuss best algo trading software in India. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe for informative content. Algo trading is a technique that allows you to make trading decisions based on pre-programmed computer algorithm. It enables faster execution of trades and eliminates the need for constant market monitoring. After its widespread use, the Securities and Exchange Board of India in 2022 declared that stockbrokers allowing algo trading in India would require a new regulatory structure. Thus, a true understanding of India's best algo trading software is crucial. Okay, now let's discuss top algo trading platforms in India. The first one in the list is Zerodha Streak. Zerodha Streak is one of the best algo trading software in India. It has a user-friendly interface through which you can execute automated trades without any coding knowledge. Let's check the benefits of Zerodha Streak. It's easy to navigate, user-friendly interface. Strategy optimization technique to create 1 million unique strategies with various combinations. Real-time market scanners for selecting stocks based on custom conditions. Backtesting engines for viewing performance metrics of stocks. And nominal brokerage charge of ₹20 per transaction. And finally, access to more than 70 technical indicators. Next one in the list is Algo Trader. Algo Trader is one of the oldest algo trading software. It has a presence in several countries around the world. Let's check the benefits. A range of charts and indicators for accurate market predictions. Then access to quick as per engine for high precision trading. Extensive data processing capabilities. Comprehensive assistance with online training post-installation, one of the most affordable algorithm trading platform, option to trade in cryptocurrencies. Next one in the list is RoboTrader. RoboTrader is a brand new algo trading software recently made available to investors in India. It is one of the most popular algo trading platform owing to its user-friendly interface and the availability of extensive tools. Let's check some benefits. One of the benefits is naked options trading strategy for automated identification and execution of options trading. Then scalp propulsion strategy for generating quick profits from short-term price movements. Third one is the allows you to use multiple strategies simultaneously for effective risk management. Then advanced analytics and real-time data analysis tools to help you make informative trading decisions. Then maximize your profits with the help of automated trailing stop loss. This is the terminal of a robot trader. You can see all the terminal details, how the chart symbol look like, how multiple things you can do. You can check the action trades. It is very easy. All the completed orders is here. You can see the terminal parameters. All the scripts are here. Finally, you can check the how to start a auto trade. Here you can get all the details. And next one in the list is MetaTrader. MetaTrader is another highly popular algo trading software in India. It offers some powerful features and is suitable for rookie as well as experienced traders. With the support of expert advisor, you can engage automated trading based on predetermined algorithms. Let's check some benefits. It's a user-friendly interface with diverse tools and indicators for a rich trading experience. Expert advisors to guide you on accurate entry and exit points. Advanced chatting and analytical tools help you make informed trading decisions. MT4 and MT5 versions allow trading in forex, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Extensive backtesting capabilities with strategy optimization tools. This is you can see the platform of MetaTrader, very easy to use. Everything is here. You can see like we show in the last RoboTrader. Its interface is good, so you can use a very user-friendly interface. Hope you get a fair bit of idea on the different type of algo trading softwares in India. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, then please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.